Hey, kindergarten friends, Miss Ingram here. We're going to do a couple of exit tickets today, and I hope that you will work them out with me and help me and make sure that you use paper and pencil at home, and we'll do these together. All right, let's get started. It says to make a tower of 4 cubes, how many more cubes do you need to make the tower 10 cubes tall? So it says to make a tower 4 cubes tall. 4 cubes tall. So I'm going to do mine this way. You can draw yours tall. All right, there's my 4 cubes. And it wants to know how many more do I need to make the tower 10 cubes tall. Well, we started with 4, right? I'm thinking of a number bond here. Draw a number bond with me. So it wants 10. And we have 4. And I'm going to put a question mark here because we don't know the other part. We have one part, which is 4. And our whole needs to be 10. Okay. What do we work with in the classroom that has 10 spaces? A 10 frame. How about we draw a 10 frame? Let's do it. All right. There's our 10 frame. Now, our tower already has how many cubes? 4. You're right. So let's do 4 on our 10 frame. Here we go. Now, how can we use that 10 frame to figure out how many more cubes we need to make 10? That's right. We can count the empty spaces on our 10 frame, and that will tell us how many more we need to make 10. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 more cubes to make 10. So down here, our sentence tells us 4 cubes, excuse me, 4 cubes and 6 cubes make 10 cubes. So our missing spot right here is 6. Let's go back to my pen here, my marker. 6. 4 and 6 are the parts of 10. Great job. Let Miss Ingram erase what we have, and then we'll do one more together. I hope that you drew your 10 frame and your number bond, and you're doing this with me. This is awesome practice for you guys. All right, let's scroll down here, and we will do one more together. Crayons. Hey, if you've got crayons, pause the video and get those out. All right, Daryl has 3 crayons. How many more crayons does Daryl need to have 10 crayons? Okay, here we are again with a group of 10. So again, I'm thinking of a number bond. 3 crayons. We don't know our other part, but we know that we need 10. All right, just like before, a 10 frame is a great thing to use. So I am going to draw our 10 frame. If you pause the video and you got crayons out, now draw a 10 frame, and then you can put those crayons on your 10 frame. All right, we have our 10 frame. How many crayons does Daryl have? 3. So put those 3 crayons, or just draw your 3 counters on your 10 frame. Now, what do we need to do to figure out how many more we need? That's right, count the empty spaces. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. 7. So now we know our missing part here, and it is 7. 3 and 7 is the same amount as 10 because we know the same value means equal. So we can say 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Great job today. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure that you're practicing figuring out how many more that you would need to make a group of 10.